Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing an egg fried rice recipe which can be made in the kettle in your hostel room. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make egg fried rice in the kettle, first turn on the kettle and then I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. And just swirl the kettle, and now I have about 5 shallots, which is also known as cherry ulli in Malayalam. Shallots are rich in antioxidants. They are also very high in iron. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, you should try to include shallots or cherry ulli in your diet. Also, if you have hair fall issues, try to include shallots in your diet. Now I have about 3 garlic cloves which I have sliced into small pieces. Now first I am adding in the garlic. This gives a nice flavor to the fried rice. Give it a stir. Once you start getting a nice flavor of the garlic, add in the shallots. The reason why I use virgin coconut oil is that it has a very mild flavor, plus it is one of the best healthy fats. So try to use virgin coconut oil if possible. Otherwise you can use olive oil, or even salad oil would be a good option, but try to avoid refined oil. For vegetables, I am using 1 medium-sized carrot and 5 beans which I have chopped finely, 2 green chilies which I have slit. Try to use as much as seasonal vegetables as possible. Since these two are the most easily available one, I am using them. If you can get access to green peas, you can use that, or if you have access to baby corn or even broccoli, you can use it. Any seasonal vegetable would be an ideal choice. The more vegetables, the more better it will be. Now I am adding in the vegetables. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and give this a mix. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I am using dark soy sauce, so I am adding in 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. And just give this all a mix. Now push the vegetables to one side and then add in 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. Quickly crack 1 egg into that oil. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. The kettle will turn off automatically, so you need to manually turn it on, and once it starts to heat, just mix the egg and it will almost immediately get cooked. And once it is scrambled, just mix in the vegetables and then add in the already cooked rice. I have already shared the recipe how to cook rice in the kettle. The links will be updated below this video and also in the playlist titled Cooking in Kettle. So I'm just adding in the rice. Again, give this a mix. All through the cooking, I'll be keeping the knob at the noodle and pasta setting. Also remember that once the kettle is heated nicely, it will turn off automatically. So after a few seconds, you can turn on manually. One thing I want to mention is that if you want more protein, you can use 2 extra egg whites. Give this a nice mix. Now our fried rice is almost ready. Turn off the kettle, and lastly, I'm sprinkling in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for some extra probiotics and healthy bacteria. So make sure that you are adding the apple cider vinegar after you have turned off the kettle, and try to use the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. And now give this all a mix, and quick and easy egg fried rice is ready to serve. It took just 5 minutes to make this super healthy and tasty fried rice. So easy to make in your hostel room, and with just 2 teaspoons of oil. This egg fried rice is a filling and a perfect healthy weight loss meal. Transfer this to a bowl and enjoy this wholesome and healthy meal for your lunch or for your dinner. Now to clean the kettle, add in 1.5 cups of water, a squeeze of diluted dishwashing liquid, and now turn on the kettle. Bring this to a boil. Just cover it with the lid because we don't want the soap water to spill out. And once the kettle turns off automatically, allow this to keep for some time like this. And once it has cooled down lightly, we'll just discard this water. With a scrub like this, lightly scrub. You can use little extra water. And now discard this water again. Add in some more water and a squeeze of diluted dishwashing soap and scrub it once more. Discard this water again. And I also rinsed it a couple of times, and now the kettle is ready to use again. Don't forget to rinse the lid also. So if you are a hostel student, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.